The Unity World by Princeshikha K. I'm a little girl, and boys think, oh, look, it's the crybaby, Julie. They don't know I come from the Unity World. They know I get hurt, but they never know the Unity World. Never know the Unity World. Unity is a dream. Unity is a wish. Now let me show you the magic tricks. Unity World is a world where men and women come together and celebrate every month because they celebrate the unity, the most powerful source of love and belonging, where people won't be killed just because they're black. United as all, never apart. Why couldn't the world be like this? Well, with the unity, anything is possible. We just need people to believe that. Then, imagination could come true.